Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the last year's Vivo X90 lineup offers quite impressive phones when it comes to photography. In fact, it is fair to say one of the best phones on the market. And this is what building the hype around its successor lineup that would most likely be called the Vivo X100 series. Though Vivo is yet to make the official announcement, but the information regarding the upcoming handsets is already getting out. And now we got our very first look at the Vivo X100 Pro Plus, giving us a clear look at the design language of the upcoming lineup. So looking at the handset back design, it seems to have a leather texture, most likely will be a vegan leather just like its predecessor. However, the most noticeable part here that the Vivo sets apart a large portion of the back panel by turning it into black, that has metallic looking bars on its top and bottom. Inside this black section, the handset will house a slightly raised circular camera island as we have seen on the X90 series. Next, as per the render, Vivo will continue to work with Zeiss in its upcoming series. So wouldn't be wrong to expect impressive photography out of the Vivo X100 Pro Plus. Overall, I think it looks more elegant than the previous year's design. Let me know what are your thoughts about this design in the comment section below. Luckily, the leaked render also gives a sneak peek of the front design of the Vivo X100 Pro Plus. And not too surprised as it will retain a curved screen display with significantly slim bezels. Further, like its predecessor, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus will sport a punch hole cutout on the top center for the selfie camera. The last year's Vivo X90 lineup holds 3 models, so we can expect the upcoming Vivo X100 series will also offer at least 3 variants, which will include the standard Vivo X100, X100 Pro and X100 Pro Plus. Earlier, a tipster revealed that Vivo is making some significant camera changes to its flagship series. And according to him, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus main camera will have a variable aperture, allowing the user to capture excellent pictures depending on the scene. Recently, Xiaomi has introduced a similar concept on its 13 Ultra model where you can switch between 2 apertures. We hope Vivo will go further and gives us more options or even a true variable aperture. As per the tipster, Vivo will also do some important tweaks to the other camera sensors. I have already made a video of what we have known so far about the camera system of Vivo X100 Pro Plus, so check that out. Anyway, at the moment, most of the details of the Vivo upcoming lineup are under wraps. So we will most likely to get more information and even some live images in the upcoming months. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.